how to allow or deny app permission to see and share your focus status on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on Privacy and Security. Then we scroll down and tap on Focus. In here, in the list of apps, you want to tap on an app to turn it off. So tap on the toggle button right next to the app to turn it off or deny the permission. If you tap on the toggle button to switch it on, it will allow the app to have permission to access your focus status. Once it has access, it can see and share your focus status. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.